Hello everyone, and welcome to the start of a playthrough of a game I've been looking forward to playing for a long time. As you all may know, I am a huge fan of the Ratchet and Clank series, so you could bet I was absolutely over the moon when I finally got a PS5, because believe it or not, on the very same day that I got my PS5, Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart was on sale for $31 instead of $70. And you can absolutely bet your ass that I went for that deal. And I am honestly really looking forward to this. I do plan on getting around to finishing the Ratchet and Clank Future series, but this game simply cannot wait. And I'm just excited to finally getting into this. Okay, I'm not exactly the best at English, but whatever. That's a nice touch. Insomniac Games always made the greatest Ratchet and Clank games. Some of them were hit and miss. Ratchet and Clank hit or miss. There's the title of a game for you. Now, the Ratchet and Clank series, of course, it's always been my favorite, but nothing beats the original trio, which I still own digitally on the PS3. Because hey, who doesn't love a bit of nostalgia every now and then? In fact, I do have the playthrough, on my channel, if you want to look for it. Play through the HD trilogy of Ratchet and Clank. And my favorite part is practically all of them up to Rift Apart and the 2016 remake, which I believe Rift Apart is a sequel to. All of them had some kind of humorous name. We had A Crack in Time, Quest for Booty, Up Your Arsenal, Going Commando. I found out apparently Going Commando means stripping down to your underwear. So, that's funny. Quest for Booty. This game has everything I could dream of. It has upgrades, it has weapons, it has wacky aliens, it has planetary exploration, it has skill points, of course. Now, I want to say real quick, when I played Tools of Destruction, I was not a fan of the skill points it wanted me to use, or it wanted me to achieve. It had me doing really ridiculous things just for skill points when the original trilogy had more sensible things to do. So let's see if Rift Apart has sensible skill points as well. So we have Rookie Explorer. Perfect for beginners and casual heroes that want to focus on story. Heroes cannot die during combat. Oh my gosh. A balanced choice from... Do I want to go Rebel Agent or Renegade Legend? You know what? Let's go balls deep. Oh, I thought that was turned off. Oh. Yeah, my TV doesn't support HDR. Shame. I guess I'll go with fidelity. We'll see how that plays out.
Members of the Resistance, report to your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise. Resistance members, report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun. Fun.
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in. There is the assistant, and there is the infobot. Whew, masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Go, go, go. Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going? Hey, it's okay. See? Just me.
Rivet? Shh. Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should... Thank you.
Yes, it is a fine day for the Festival of Heroes here in Megalopolis.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Right.
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank! I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Quaw, will be your host. With me, Skid Mars. And Rusty Pink.
Copernicus Leslie Quark.
In ages.
Okay. Ratchet. Ratchet will do anything to protect his galaxy and usually jumps boots first into danger. His blasters are matched in skill only by his wrench wrangling and his witticisms. The last Lombax in his universe, Ratchet was a lonely orphaned mechanic longing to find his lost family when he met his perpetual partner in crime. Thanks, Crateful. Clank's fateful crash landing on Vilden led into the first of the duo's many adventures together, traveling to the ends of the universe to protect it from villains including, but not limited to, Dr. Nefarious. Though, after spending so much time in retirement, he has begun to wonder, does he still have what it takes to be a hero? Clank. Clank is Ratchet's best friend, co-pilot, and the brains of the operation, though he'd never admit it. After meeting on the planet Velden, he and Ratchet have gone on countless adventures, saving the universe from the forces of evil. In his free time, Clank has starred in his own holovision show and has recently began researching Lost Lombax technology. Captain Quark. Leader of the Q-Force, ex-president and corporate spokesperson, Captain Copernicus Leslie Quark has been a galactic hero almost as often as he has been the villain. Recently, he has helped organize Megalopolis' Festival of Heroes, celebrating the galaxy's greatest defenders, Ratchet and Clank. And him, of course. Skid McMarks. Celebrity hoverboard champion of Blackwater City, and longtime friend of Ratchet and Clank. In recent years, he has spent more time hawking his personal brand of hoverboarding gear through his chain to McMark Sports Shacks on a planet near you. Rusty Pete. The current captain of the robot pirates in his dimension, he once battled Ratchet and Clank under the command of Captain Slag. These days, he and his crew have entered an alliance with the galactic government, promising to only loot people when no one is looking. Well, that's a relief. But, you know, okay, whatever.
Hey, this is a pretty big turnout.
Even after all of these years, it is exciting.
Yeah, it is, huh?
Give it up for our heroes! Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear. Must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
It all started on planet Vector with Ratchet, a restless tinkerer, hungry for adventure.
Man, that was me? Wow. Oh wait, that's supposed to look like me right now. Cool.
That night, Clank's ship came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the defective warbot, and the rest is intergalactic history.
Cool. Is this supposed to, like, be a recreation? I woke up not too long ago, so my brain is kind of bleh. That's why my words are kind of screwing up. Oh yeah, look! This is when they first became friends. Nice juggling, Ratchet. Yeah.
And now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade.
Why does that look so familiar? Is that supposed to be like Chairman Drek or someone?
Who could forget the Blarg invasion of Kerwa? Show the crowd
Oh yeah!
fast, sharp shooting skills.
Hang on, I wanna like...
But once he grabs some ammo,
Where's the audio?
of course.
Huh. That'd be cool. Midnight mode. Oh, shit. I was completely not paying attention. Okay, those go boom. Bolts for days! Wait. Dude. That came from my controller. Listen. That came from my controller. Oh, that's so cool! Ammo!
Last, the Hall of Heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the lawn bags.
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Whoa! Yep! Real bullets!
Who booked these guys?
I would just like to take a moment to say that my trigger is locking up like it's supposed to be a real gun. That's so cool. It didn't lock up like this when I played Sonic Frontiers. Man, they really make it feel like part of the experience. And I fucking love it. Are they supposed to be on fire? I love that feeling that the controller trigger locks up. I'm not being sarcastic either. I think that's actually supposed to happen.
Put a bounty on us?
Oh, shiza.
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Every time we try to enjoy ourselves, something goes wrong. I can feel the gun vibrating. I can feel the controller vibrating when I fire the gun.
Catch a ride.
So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the blogs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or, Dr. Nefarious.
Ha, no way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
I think you get it.
Welcome to our domes. Watch out for swashbuckling marauders. Oh, really brings you back to the good old days.
Ow. Oh, I love this.
Our heroes enemy! Now, we must walk the dangerous plank of doom.
I fucking love this.
There, we can glide over.
The mysteries of the Gray Clock. Again with the fighting. I had an emotional monologue prepared for this one.
Oh shoot, it breaks. I'm gonna die. I'm dead.
The mysteries of the Gray Clock. Again with the fighting. I had an emotional monologue prepared for this one.
Okay, I think the wrench might be a better call.
The mysteries of the Gray Clock. Again with the fighting. I had an emotional monologue prepared for this one.
I'll kick your asses.
More goons incoming.
So this is a great clock. I know I probably should have played the future games before, but, you know. I'll live. Think of it like a prologue to... Think of it like a prologue to learning about this. Oh, I just realized, if I press the, trigger down a little, it does brief shots. But if I press it down all the way, it does rapid shots. That's very cool.
Let's take out that dropship and end this.
Level up. Yeah, where's that dropship? Oh, look at that. A cute giant Clank balloon.
Down their dropship would put a stop to this.
That's what a dropship is, okay. Fire away, fire away. Not at me.
A little rusty, but not too bad.
Are they gone? Oh. And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot too. I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Aww.
Well, what?
Aww.
Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago,
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
Man, I was not expecting that to be the gift.
We have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Oh, give me a moment, my eye. So I do remember the Dimensionator. It was used to trap Emperor Tachyon in another dimension. Or like when he used it to go to another dimension, we took it back and he was trapped there. I also remember the Blarg. They were associated with Chairman Drek
Wait,
from the first game.
we can put Quark's pyrotechnics to use. I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
I remember you. You were a boss in the 2016 remake. Shatterbomb. Feel the power of the Omniverse in the palm of your hand with this explosive ball of energy that'll tear apart baddies and reality. How much money do I have? Almost 2,500. The Enforcer. Sick of single-barreled destruction? You will be when you blasted your enemies with this double-barreled plasma cannon. Double the firepower, double the fun. Double the weapons, double the gods, double everything. Tai Lung does not leave that prison. So, this is essentially our, grenade glove, or whatever you want to call it. Bomb glove. Okay, how do I buy it? Oh.
Throwing them with your bare freaking hands. Pull the fire trigger halfway to visualize your aim. Or if you are in a hurry, pull it all the way to let them fly. Shatterbomb, more like Shatter-booyah-yah.
I fucking love her personality. I'll buy it. Sweet!
More goons! Incoming!
Heck yeah! Now we got some explosive firepower, baby! Ow! Oh, that's how I switch weapons. Ow! I fucking love the speaker sound effect thing. Listen to that. That's immersive right there. You know, I remember in the first game when the game would not pause when you were trying to switch weapons. That was a fucking nightmare. I'm gonna die. What? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? I mean, I knew what I was getting into when I selected the difficulty, don't you worry. If anything, I think it just adds to it. Boop.
One more to go.
I'm being fired at. Where you at?
Train's pulling away. Let's go.
The way they die. Like, I've been shot. I fucking love this game. See, this is exactly the experience I've been waiting for. It's so immersive and so brilliant. Oh, you're citizen, sorry. Do I have any more, oh. Hello?
Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler. It's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye. Hey! What did you do?
What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot. There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the phase quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Rift Heather.
Come in handy.
Oh, that's beautiful. That is fucking beautiful. Look at that. Hi, and goodbye. I just need a moment. Just had to check on a couple of things. We're all set.
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough. That's rather painful.
Shadow Bomb. I should be safe here. Okay, let's think of our plan of attack and try not to die. That's so cool, though. Oh. Got him. And I died. Alright, let's try this again. I fucking love that.
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
Okay, that hurts.
I reckon that hurt. I could say the same about you. Better watch yourself, that is. Are you good? Alright, whatever.
Whoa, watch your head.
This is worse than I had imagined.
Yeah, you said it. What the heck are those? Oh, I see.
Sand sharks from above.
So all these different dimensional creatures are appearing here. Oh, these are sand shark spawners, aren't they? Whoa. Hey look, it's an amoeboid! Hello, can I have my tickets, please? Nice detail with the cracks. Is that Nefarious's ship? It's gotta be. That must be where all the pulses are coming from.
I knew you'd come.
Whoa, what the hell?
Was that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Oh. Alright. That's okay. Didn't quite expect that. You got lucky, good sir. Oh my goodness.
Nefarious's ship. We've got to find a way up there.
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey, when did you rebuild the Dimension Inn?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow, that's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
see you. This wasn't in the contract.
I cannot believe this.
Calm down, bro. We'll figure it out. Breathe with me. Yo, who wants that?
Ah, hi. Now that's what you call having good aim. Anything else? The heck is that? Oh, that's a hologram of a taxi. Alley-oop? Whoa, my god.
Getting out of hand. Nefarious is in way over his head.
What is that?
Whoa! Hey!
Mrs. Zircon has many fine options for you.
Why not?
You have a good eye.
Boom! That is the sound of pure power. And the Enforcer, with its two barrels of sweet, sweet destruction. You can pull the fire trigger halfway to shoot one barrel. And if you are feeling confident, pull it all the way to shoot both. Boom!
I really love how nutty she sounds about this. I fucking love it.
Mrs. Zircon will see you back soon.
Can I buy ammo from you?
Cannot go wrong with this stock.
I have to say, this is like a really interesting way to start off the game.
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
Level 2!
Get to the boss!
Time for you to live up to your namesake as your final words. The words you say before you die? Bored! Shatterbomb, level up. Boop. Ow. That hurt like a son of a bitch.
Nice work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without you, pal.
Man, this feels good. Got any more crates I can smash? Would love that. Can I buy some more from Miss Zircon? That's what I'm saying. Oh, look at that. That's cool.
Mrs. Zircon, eager to see your selection.
Yeah, that's great and all. I'd love some ammo. No?
Farewell.
What's this?
All right.
Oh, ammo.
Now let's get to Nefarious.
I like how he said that right as I picked up ammo. Or maybe that was what I was supposed to pick up.
You two, these goons are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quickly! We cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
Oh. I'll gladly do that.
Ah, did that hurt? Good.
Those defenses won't last forever. Ah!
Watch your step.
Oh, you think that's funny, do you? How about this?
His defenses are weakening. Rather painful. Toads are
Oh boy.
so unpleasant.
Horn toads.
Yes, run from me.
Ooh! Oh my god. Okay. You are really nutty. You're really insane.
Oh dear, he is targeting us.
Okay, gotta watch out for them missiles. For them missies. Ha! You missed. Ow. Okay, you didn't miss that time. I don't know how I didn't get hit there. You're certainly getting hit, though. Where am I? Oh.
Where did Nefarious find these?
Today, my ultimate plan.
Amoeboids!
Perfect, flawless, and nothing will stop me.
How many times have we heard that?
Probably around 80. No, it doesn't matter. Today will be the last time.
You know, the design of that weapon reminds me of that, It reminds me of the core of the Deplanetizer from the 2016 remake. Out of ammo. Not for long. So long, Nefarious. Boom!
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
Oh, here we go.
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
This is so cool!
Good. Great.
Where are we?
Beats me.
To the depths with your arms, you
Toy?
What manner of trickery? Get off me, ship! I'll create you!
Did I do it? Oh, what is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator.
Uh-oh.
Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator, it... What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Wait, I have to find my friend.
Hi? It's me? It's me! It worked! It worked! I am the winner!
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes! Emperor!
Dude, I did not expect that to actually work. You gotta hand it to Nefarious. He got what he wanted. I'm impressed, actually. Not a lot of people get away with that. So, as much as I hate him, I'll give him credit.
Clank? Clank? Lombax? What is this place? Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him.
So, this is where I'm going to end the first episode. Had to yawn. Thank you everyone for watching this first episode of Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. And I'll see you next time.